want to wish Sam all the best and also congratulations because he's done a fabulous job of Tony and Guy in maintaining his brand. So I wish his entire team all the success and I hope you guys open a lot more salons.